Welcome to this tutorial on managing your Paddle dashboard. Paddle is a comprehensive platform that helps you manage your online business, track sales, and handle customer subscriptions. In this guide, we will walk you through the key steps to effectively manage your Paddle dashboard. First, log into your Paddle account and navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your sales, revenue, and customer activity. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the various sections, including sales, customers, and products. Next, let's focus on setting up your products. In the Products section, you can create and manage your digital products, including software, ebooks, and other downloadable items. Enter your product details, including the name, description, and pricing. You can also set up different pricing plans and tiers to cater to various customer segments. Now, let's move on to managing your customers. In the Customers section, you can view and manage your customer list, including their contact information, subscription status, and purchase history. You can also use this section to issue refunds, cancel subscriptions, and update customer information. Another important aspect of managing your Paddle dashboard is tracking your sales and revenue. In the Sales section, you can view your sales data, including the number of sales, revenue, and conversion rates. You can also use the analytics tools to gain insights into your customer behavior and sales trends. To optimize your sales and revenue, it's essential to set up and track your analytics. Paddle provides a range of analytics tools, including conversion tracking, sales funnels, and customer segmentation. Use these tools to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize your sales strategy. Finally, let's discuss best practices for managing your Paddle dashboard. Regularly review your sales and revenue data to identify trends and areas for improvement. Use the analytics tools to gain insights into your customer behavior and optimize your sales strategy. Also, make sure to keep your customer information up to date and use the customer management tools to provide excellent customer support. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Paddle dashboard and optimize your online business for success. Remember to regularly review and update your product offerings, customer information, and sales strategy to ensure you're getting the most out of your Paddle account. With Paddle, you can streamline your online business, improve customer satisfaction, and increase revenue.